To fix this error, it may be MSVCP140 or VC Runtime or Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime. So if you're receiving these errors, then to fix it, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Over here, you can see Visual Studio file, that is x86 and x64. You have to install both the files, x86. Run this exe file. If you see repair, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Run this exe file. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install, click on yes to allow. And let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can check. That should fix the error. But still you are receiving the error. In that case, type in control panel in Windows search box, click on control panel. Click on uninstall a program and find Microsoft Visual files. So here you can see Microsoft Visual C++ file. You can see these files. Only you have to uninstall Microsoft Visual C++ file. Make a right click, uninstall. Uninstall only Microsoft Visual C++ file. Once you uninstall it, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can go to the same website and then you can install this x86 and x64 once again, and then restart your PC and then check. If you want to install these Visual C++ file, you can even install these, but you can first of all try these two, install it, restart your PC and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.